Check this view out. This is my camping site, and this is my 4Runner. This is my 4Runner that I've put a lot of money, time, and effort into. This is a 2000, and I've done pretty much everything that I'm going to do to it except for skid plates. I think is all I've got left. But as you can see, I've got the 270 mount awning mounted up there, traction boards, extra fuel, jack. Even have the diesel heater here. We'll go into a lot of this other stuff in other videos, but check this out. We come around here. This is my kitchen slash whatever setup. Got 2 fold down tables on the swing outs, the ice chest on the swing out. That grub box goes up there. And of course, Hank's here with me because Hank is my buddy. We've got extra battery capacity. We've got power inverters. We've got water tube up on top for showering. Even got Starlink, and that's the N Motion. And then we got a hand washing water tube down here. Anyway, tune in, subscribe. More videos are coming, but make sure you do that subscribe button. That way you can be on top of these videos as they come out. Thank you.